Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. TradingView, https://www.tradingview.com, is a powerful and versatile platform frequented by traders of varying experience levels, from novice investors to seasoned professionals. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools and resources designed for analyzing financial markets, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, and more. The platform is known for its intuitive charting interface, providing a wide array of technical indicators and drawing tools that allow users to perform in-depth market analysis. One of TradingView's standout features is its social aspect. It fosters a vibrant community where traders can share ideas, discuss strategies, and learn from one another. This collaborative environment provides valuable insights and can help users stay abreast of market trends and sentiment. Users can publish their trading ideas, follow experienced traders, and participate in discussions within the community forums. Beyond the community features, TradingView offers a range of charting functionalities that cater to different trading styles. Users can create and customize their charts with various indicators, drawing tools, and timeframes. The platform supports multiple chart types, including candlestick, bar, line, and Renko charts, allowing for flexible and comprehensive market analysis. Furthermore, TradingView provides real-time market data, enabling traders to stay updated on current price movements and make informed trading decisions. For those seeking more advanced features, TradingView offers premium subscription tiers that unlock additional tools and functionalities. These premium features can include advanced charting tools, custom alerts, and access to exclusive market data. While the free version of the platform is robust and sufficient for many users, the premium subscriptions provide additional capabilities for more demanding traders. TradingView has become an indispensable resource for many in the trading community due to its user-friendly interface, robust charting capabilities, and thriving social community. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned trader looking for advanced tools, TradingView provides a valuable platform for navigating the complexities of financial markets. It's a one-stop shop for market analysis, community interaction, and informed decision-making in the trading world.